Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. If you wish to add friends within your Zenless Zone Zero game, then you can either do this from within the game, or you can also use the Epic Games Launcher. Open up the Epic Games Launcher on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the store page, in order to add friends, just click on the Friends tab at the top right corner. This will now open up the Friends menu. Now you will be able to search within your existing friends, or you can click on the plus friend icon in order to add a new friend. Now you can just use the search box, and once you find the user that you wish to add, just click on the user ID and then click on Add Epic Friend. Once you click on this button, this will send a friend request to this user, and when they tap on the accept button, you will become friends with this user on the Zenless Zone Zero game as well. And there you have it. That is how you can add a friend on the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.